Hello and welcome to Apollo. In this screencast, I will show you how to use Apollo's task lists and milestones. Task lists are the heart of your projects. I will go back to it in a moment. For now, I will just say that a project is always divided into task lists, and that each task list is made up of tasks. So a task list might look like this. Milestones are a very important part of Apollo 2. A milestone is an accomplishment of your projects. Task lists and messages can belong to a milestone. For example, you might want to create the milestone Company's Marketing Material Ready. And then the milestone Business Ready to Take Bookings. Make sure you assign them reasonable deadlines, of course. At this point, you're ready to go back to task lists. As I said before, task lists and tasks are the heart of Apollo. For example, create a task list called Create Entertainer's Website. Make sure you relate this task list to the milestone Company's Marketing Material Ready. Then create a couple of tasks. For example, get some basic idea for the website and approve a basic web design. Create another task list. For example, organize the booking system. With just one task, design the interface. At this point, you have a project with a couple of task lists and some tasks, and a milestone related to one of the task lists. Mark a milestone as completed when every task related to that milestone is completed. In a real-life project, you will spend a lot of time staring at your task lists, adding tasks, reordering them, dragging them to another task list, and, more importantly, completing them. For example, you might decide to start working on Design the Interface. Mark it as in progress. This way, you will let other people in the workspace know that somebody is working on it. After a while, you can decide that you're done. Click on the timer button and log how long you spent on it, and then tick it as done. There you go. The task will be moved down the bottom and clearly marked as done. See you soon.